So we're here at, we're gonna walk around, let's see, we usually go this way around. And it takes about an hour. Depends on if we find stuff, you know, and different habitat. This is a really good place to find warblers in through here. This section here can be really good. And then this is all wooded. And then we'll come back around and come out here. I'll be leading the trip today along with Lee Stevers. And Stivers, sorry. That's okay. And we're with the Cayuga Bird Club. And let's go around and Paul. There goes one now. There's lots of them around. They nest around the marshes and all these different noises you're hearing. Canada geese. Good morning. Hi. That one calling right there. Little rusty red cap.
Oh, that is a swamp. Oh, swamp star. Wobbling vireo?
Yeah.
Warbling vireo.
I have one of my granddaughters is very into so I grew up in Cornell. Oh, you did?
That's a warbling vireo. They're very hard to see.
So we're probably more south.
Behind us
We
here.
live in like Deerfield.
Redwing? Yeah.
On the line.
Yeah. Catching insects. Those are swallows. And these are tree swallows. They're all white underneath, and they're that iridescent blue on their backs. It's just beautiful. Common yellow throat. Just that's yellow throat. A small warbler that lives in marshes, around marshes and swamps. And I heard him just call. That's not it. That's a warbling vireo. Vireo here. Just kind of a plain, where the others can have yellow on them, eye rings. But this is just kind of a plain, and this is the one that's singing, so we'll hear them all along as we go. Have their territory. They'll sing on the perimeter of it. And they'll do that. The males will do that during the day. And kind of to announce that this is mine. Stay out. Phoebe. Yep, that's how they wag their tail. They constantly are bobbing their
You
tail.
said Eastern Phoebe it is?
Eastern Phoebe.
Which bird you're talking?
Oh, it looks like a vireo. Still moving. Vireo. Little chestnut stripes. Oh yeah. Oh, there's our.
Oh, there's an Oriole.
Okay, we have a Baltimore Oriole here.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Look at him up there.
I saw an orchard oriole yesterday at the plantations.
Oh, did you?
It's not a great look. It looks like it's lighter, a little yellowish and white.
Like warbler, I think. No.
Down the trunk.
You
saw one?
Yes, it was in that tree, but it flew that way now. Yes. Black and white what? That's the name of it?
Black and white warbler.
Oh,
Yeah.
warbler. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Then I saw
Yeah. This one right here, blue jay.
Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
They are very pretty.
Oh, they're nasty too.
Getting warm in the sun.
Yeah. Do you see it?
Yeah.
He has like a yellow all around
It's a little
line.
streaky, I guess. So probably it's a nice.
Probably I would think a garden snake or. There are water snakes out on the pond. I'm not sure. They should be starting.
I saw
would
a
think.
nest yesterday. Well, at least partially.
Yellowthroat is sitting right in there, right below it. This one right here.
So that is what is that?
Common yellowthroat.
Common.
And the name, wow, nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
This one doesn't show it, but each of the warblers has a specific markings under their tail. And if you're looking up
Yeah.
like this,
And
sometimes it helps you identify them.
Very nice. Okay.
So. I believe it was a downy woodpecker, and it flew over here. It's in this tree here. That's a robin. That's a robin singing. Yeah, he's still here. Have you seen him yet? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Yeah, he's at the end of a branch out there.
The American red star.
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
That might be the wren
Yeah, that's
fussing.
I heard somebody talking about how they sound just like a cat sometimes.
Yeah, they'll go. And it does. It sounds like a cat meow. Square filament that they hang up in trees on trails, and there's just certain people that do it, and help out, and you've got to remove them very carefully. And some of them will peck very hard.
చూసారంటే ఇది ట్రీ ఫ్రాగ్ అట. ఓ మై గాడ్. Gift of Johnson in the honor of George Archibald, founder of International Crane Foundation. సో ఇది వాళ్ళు డొనేట్ చేసినట్టు ఉంది క్రేన్.